Welcome to Part 97 of Learn Languages. Today we're mastering advanced numbers in English. Let's start with large numbers. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1 billion. The company is worth $2.5 billion. Over 3 million people watched the event. Now, fractions. 1/2, 1/2, 1/3, 1/3, 1/4, 1/4. 3/4 of the audience applauded. 2/3 of students passed the exam. For non-standard fractions, 3/7 is 3/7. Now, percentages. Prices increased by 8%. Over 60% of adults use social media daily. The pass rate was just under 90%. Now, dates. In British English, the 5th of March, 2024. In American English, March 5th, 2024. On the 15th of June, British format. On June 15th, American format. Years 2024 is 2024. 1999 is 1999. Now, times. 3:15, 3:15 or 3:15, 3:30, 3:30 or 3:30, 3:45, 3:45 or 3:45. Decimal numbers 3.7, 3.7.